Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today we're making Apple Traybake. It's super easy and it's all made in one bowl. So let's get started. Peel and slice 3 apples. I've sliced a couple in a more desirable shape for the topping. Put the apple slices and the lemon juice in a bowl and leave to one side. To make the batter, combine all of the cake ingredients in a bowl. Mix this until it's combined. The batter is quite heavy as it needs to hold the weight of the apples, so it may be quite difficult to mix. If you're using a stand mixer and it's struggling, try taking it off and using the whisk separately. When it's ready, pour the mixture into your prepared baking tin. You only need to put enough for one layer because we're going to put apple slices on top of this. Make sure you push it out to the edges and get an even layer. Once you're happy, layer your apple slices on top. Make sure you keep aside the ones that you want to put on the top layer. Cover the apple slices with the remaining batter mixture. Spread this out into an even layer. Now you can cover the top layer with your remaining apple slices. You can arrange them in any pattern you like. Then top it off with some brown sugar. You can push this through a sieve to get an even finish or just sprinkle it on top. After an hour in the oven, this should now be done. You can check if it's ready by placing a skewer through the middle. If it comes out clean, then it's ready, but if it still has batter on it, then it's not, so put it back in for 5 or 10 minutes. Allow it to cool slightly in the tin and then transfer to a wire rack. You can store this in an airtight container and it will be good for at least 1 week, or you can save it for a later date and freeze it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you give this a go, and make sure you turn on notifications for my next post. Thanks for watching.